So anyway, I was standing right over there at that fence, looked over this way, and saw, as you can see, I've been slowly but surely taking out some dead and diseased trees, and somehow I completely overlooked this one. As you can see, well, you can't really see too well from this angle. Let's go around over here. As you can now see, there's nothing alive to this tree. You'll notice I've already got a rope tied to it. That's because I'm going to drop it straight down this way. Hopefully, if everything goes as planned. Might take out one or two little trees on its way down, but that'll be okay. We got to deal with what we got to deal with. And the goal would be that it drop straight down through here. So the question is, can he do it? So far so good. I've dropped everyone where I wanted them so far, but we'll see. All right, we have the victim set up. Hopefully it's not going to drop right here where this camera is, or I'll be in trouble. Hoping to drop it about 10-12 feet to the right of this position. So you know what, pretty confident, but if it doesn't, I don't know. Let me move this over a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Move it over here behind this tree. So if it decides that it wants to do something goofy. Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and move it completely behind this tree and see if it drops where we want it. Goal right there. There you go. Where I wanted it, but not bad. All right, so let's see where I cut it. It's a 9-inch down at the base, probably about 10 or 12. Let's see if I can get it. Hey, I might need you to come hold this. I want to see how long this thing is. That's 30 feet right there. Huh? Nah, I'd make it 30 feet and
See snakes?
nope.
Well, what excitement is that?
25, 23, no, 20 more. So that footer. 50-foot tree at 9 inches is where I cut it. Got a nice wedge taken out of it. Go. That's the key to making it you want it. And had a rope tied all the way down there, about 15 feet up on the tree to kind of give it some tension to move that way, and there you go. Now they're cutting it up into pieces to do something with. What fun. Now the cleanup begins.